it's over. Our Balkan road trip is over and summer is over. We have to go back to home.
And we just drove 800 kilometers to get back to home. I mean, Greece. We don't need this. We are back at home in Greece, enjoying life, enjoying summer that just continues. We have not used to come to Greece this early of the year. Usually we come here when they are harvesting the olives. Now they are still green. And we gave a chance to Greece to actually show the summer feeling. Yeah, summer is continuing in Greece. All other parts of Europe is under winter. So we are just enjoying summer in Greece. It's totally different. The sea temperatures, they are still quite warm, actually really warm for us, so it's so pleasant to go swim. When you cross the border and you see Greek letters, you're like, ooh! When you hear the radios everywhere and there's Greek songs, you're like, ooh! You get that ooh feeling a lot when you come to Greece. We love it. We love it here. It's our home. And we are actually ready to take a ferry to that island over there. As you can see, we are still missing the chimney because we have to get some screws. Luckily there's a real Leroy Merlin in Greece, so we can get everything from the same place. Also our BMS on our battery, the wires between the BMS parts, they got loose, so we need to get new wires. And we might get also a new crank for our awning, because the awning crank has been broken years.
We are excited to take a ferry. We will go a little island hopping, and we are at the moment in Kliffa. And it's so hard to find the ferry timetables online. The website is translated to German, French, every language, but you cannot find the timetables here, except only when you press the Greek flag. Then you can see the timetables. Hard to find sometimes these things. Yeah, we are going to Aquiacampo. Let's see how much it costs.
In Evia Island.
Island boy.
Approximately half an hour to get to Evia, and costs us, I think, something around 30 euros. So 4 euros per meter, and it was 3 euros per person. Yeah. It's really a great feeling to be back in Greece, like being on this harbor and seeing like Mediterranean Sea. The water is blue and you can see through it, and it just feels so good. Yeah, this is a small harbor town of Kliffa, which we are at the moment. So they have a beach, and seems like this is quite active town on the summer months. We call them armpit months in Finland, so not high season, but something between low and high season. So this is the last month that there is tourists. Yay, 33 euros for ferry, half an hour ferry. I think it's fairly priced, because otherwise if you want to go to Evia with the bridge, which costs 8 euros, we should drive 300 kilometers. So this is better. We save some days. This is like a old printer that was yelling there. I'm making these tickets. Good old times when the printers actually made some noise.
And when they actually worked. We are in the ferry now.
Yeah, we have actually stacked it now. Ferry and toll costs a lot during 1 week time.
That's so true.
More than in the last year. But this is a great way to get to the islands.
Yeah, that's true. And we hope we can stay in put somewhere and not move that fast that we have moved past couple of weeks. So
Yeah, but great weathers in Greece. No wind at all. This is quite a small ferry, so it's good that it's calm. It's not like a super.
stormy, scary sea, and we can see a solar panel and a van roof, and it's surprisingly clean.
Yeah.
Just like that, we are in Evia Island, and now we will go grocery shopping and then find a good spot to spend the night. Does that sound good?
Yay!
It sounds perfect.
It's really beautiful to go on ferries in Greece because the water is like
Turquoise.
and this feels like we are on a vacation because we are on an island and everything looks so touristic. And there is still people in the hotels. You have never ever seen that because always we have come so late.
In the winter time, so now it's like a shoulder season
Yes.
before the winter.
Now we go to grocery store, find a perfect place on some beach and spend maybe a little longer time in one place.
Yeah,
We have spent a lot of money to get here.
that's true. So now we need to cut down on expenses and stay put. Went shopping in Lidl, and this long receipts. 100 euros went to the grocery shopping. We bought all the fruits and vegetables and basic needs, and prices seem after rest of the Balkan kind of high, but now we hope we can score some place where we can just sit back and relax and not spend any money after this.
We are just afraid of other motorhomes because last place where we were on that peninsula there was no one, and now we have seen like 12 motorhomes already.
And this seems so much more touristic place, so we are wondering if we made a mistake coming here. How do you rate our wild camping spot?
Woo! We always score a high jackpots. As you can see, there's a beach, private beach, all around us. Nobody else. We thought that this is armpit month that there will be lots of motorhome.
Shoulder month
Yeah, I think
of the travels.
I think in English it's shoulder month.
Because armpit sounds
Yeah,
gross.
we saw like 12 or 15 motorhomes when we went to the grocery store, so we were afraid that there's a lot of people here. But luckily, this is 16 kilometers away from the main road, so you have to really drive here. And also, the road here to the beach ain't great.
Lot of long hanging branches and mud puddles and uneven spots on the gravel road, so it always helps. It's kind of filter. It filters away the people.
Yeah, it's good to filter at least most of the motorhomes away. That is the best place. It's a couple of hot days ahead, so it's good to keep your van in a shade. But we have also lots of places that are in the sun.
Yeah, so we will change that spot according to the weather. The sea is blue, show shimmering, translucent, and kind of warm. Still, so
I'm surprised.
I think we will go and planching. We have to go. It's so good to be back in Greece. This is such a wonderful country. Beauty everywhere. And when you score these kind of jackpot places to stay overnight or stay even a longer time, it just feels so amazing.
Yeah.
And this is why we live in a van. Half and half.
Mulle se niin vahvasti.
Mä otan, sä saat isommat.
To all these beautiful places.
Yamas.
Yamas. Sara likes 50-50
Strong.
gin and tonic. I like 1/4 of gin and 3/4 of tonic.
No. Gin tonic has to be really strong. Like your mouth is burning. Yeah, this is our favorite drink. It reminds us very much of summer and Greece.
This is so dreamy place. Let's enjoy.
Olisiko tuolla Delphi? Still more waters here in the gorgeous Mediterranean Sea. Translucent turquoise, crystal clear water and private beach just for us. I think we are in heaven. Maybe we died in a car crash and we just don't know it yet. Guess what? We are this restless. We already changed our spot a bit. Now we can get some solar because our van was underneath those trees in the shade and we could not get solar. This gets toasty, but now we don't care because we have a working awning stick. We still have the pretty beach to ourselves. I think because the weekend is coming, the locals will come here to enjoy the magical Robinson Crusoe beach. This is so tropical looking.
Our favorite food in Greece.
Gyros.
Tzatziki, feta, cucumber, red onion and red bell pepper. That is our
Version of the pita bread.
yes. These pita breads that are new, they are not that good as the old ones. Old ones were really chewy and you could actually fold it half and it didn't break. These new ones, they are not that great. They are not that chewy.
They are
And-
very flowery and dry. We
And-
don't like them.
Yeah, the old ones tasted like bread that you make from the old
Ovens.
ovens. Yeah, so much better. This is just
Yeah.
wheat.
What's up with this, little? You are ruining our Greek trip.
No, don't ruin our Greek tip.
No.
Thank you. Winter is coming to Romania, so we getting back to the sun and summer. Yes.
Sunny Greece.
Yes, this will be great. I love it. Evia has been great for us. Evia is a great place to be. I was thinking about lots of more touristic, but
No.
this is
It's
nature
a little gem.
or huge gem.
Diamond.
Se tunsi sen autoksi. Jes, lähdetään ajamaan.
En mä saa kässäri liian kireellä. Älä.
Joo, tälleen nähdään, että se kireellä.
Onks mä hätävinkko?